Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Mediterranean diets include foods people ate in the traditional times around the Mediterranean Sea. People in Italy, Spain, France, and Greece ate the foods in this video. Vegetables, they include cucumbers, Brussels sprouts, spinach, tomatoes, potatoes, turnips, carrots, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, sweet potatoes, and onions. Fruits, examples include bananas, melons, grapes, strawberries, peaches, dates, pears, figs, apples, oranges. Nuts, seeds, and nut butters, they include almond butter, walnuts, cashews, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, hazelnuts, peanut butter, macadamia nuts, almonds, legumes. Some include peas, pulses, lentils, beans, peanuts, chickpeas, whole grains. Examples include buckwheat, whole rye, corn, wheat pasta, barley, oats, brown rice, bread. Fish and seafood, they include clams, oysters, shrimp, mackerel, tuna, crab, mussel, sardines, trout, salmon, poultry, such as turkey, duck, chicken, eggs, including quail, chicken, eggs, duck, dairy, including milk, cheese, yogurt, herbs and spices. Examples include sage, pepper, garlic, mint, basil, nutmeg, rosemary, cinnamon. Healthy fats, such as avocado oil, avocados, oil, extra virgin olive oil, and olive. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for subsequent videos.